in the dynamic landscape of agile project management. Scrum Masters play a pivotal role in guiding teams towards success. However, certain common mistakes can impede their effectiveness. Recognizing and avoiding these pitfalls is essential for fostering a collaborative and high-performing team. Micromanaging teams mistake, inhibiting team autonomy. Avoidance, foster trust, empower self-organization, and focus on facilitation. Cultivate an environment where team members can thrive without excessive oversight. Neglecting feedback, mistake, undermining collaboration. Avoidance, encourage open communication, actively seek input, and value team feedback. A culture of constructive feedback promotes continuous improvement. Undefined vision, mistake, resulting in confusion. Avoidance, clearly articulate a vision that aligns the team towards common goals. A shared understanding of the project's direction enhances unity and purpose. Delayed issue resolution, mistake, hindering progress. Avoidance, act as a servant leader, promptly identifying and addressing impediments. Swift issue resolution ensures the team's momentum and prevents prolonged roadblocks. Overlooking team dynamics, mistake, impacting productivity. Avoidance, foster positive team dynamics by encouraging collaboration. Addressing conflicts proactively and creating an environment where each team member can contribute effectively. By steering clear of these common mistakes, Scrum Masters can create an environment where teams flourish, collaboration thrives, and the agile principles of adaptability and continuous improvement are upheld. A vigilant approach to these pitfalls contributes significantly to the success of Scrum projects and the overall satisfaction of the project team and stakeholders.